Fatima versus Jonah versus Brian.
Isang interpretation naman ng Stand Up for Love by Destiny's Child ang ibibigay niya sa atin ngayong gabi. So please welcome ang tabing ilog sweetheart ng Davao, Jonah.
I'm inspired and hopeful each and every day. That's how I know that things are gonna change. So how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second and every minute another soul is gone? Now I believe that in my life I will see an end to hopelessness, or giving up, or suffering. If we all stand together this one time, then what we get behind. Stand up for love. Stand up and sing. Stand
Mapabilib kaya niyang kanyang coach sa kanyang version ng At Last by Etta James? Ito na ang girl group cutie ng QC, Fatima.
At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never, never, never known. You're mine. Oh, when the spell was cast, and here we are in heaven. For you are mine last. Oh, for you are mine at last.
At ito naman para kumanta ng Mercy by Shawn Mendes, ang Grateful Son ng Pampanga, Brian.
You've got a hold of me, don't even know your power. I stand 100 feet, but I fall when I'm around you. Show me an open door, you go and slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby, 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 please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you don't mean to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart, consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice.
bago mag-decide ang inyong coach kung sino ang dadalhin niya sa susunod na round ng competition na to, makakahinga muna kayo dahil papakinggan muna natin si Coach Mambu.
My opinion kay Brian, I thought yung performance today was medyo, okay, pakitang gilas ng konti, no? Pero the simpler parts na narinig ko sa boses mo and the potential that moving forward, I would say my pick pa rin would be you. So, Brian, I would pick you. Yeah.
Merong parts na kailangan ganito lang, merong parts na kailangan malakas, mataas. So mayroong growth at saka contrasting elements yung kanyang pag-deliver ng song. Ang mapipili ko si Jonah.
Thank you po.
For me, kailangan yung puso at saka yung boses, kailangan kasal. So for me, yung pinaka-emotionally connected as well as vocally, yung nagbigay ng performance kung saan ako naniniwala, I'll go with Brian.
Thank you po, Coach.
Makatulong kaya ang desisyon ng ibang coaches sa gagawing desisyon ng inyong mentor and coach na si Coach Sarah?
Kala ko sanay na ako dito, pero grabe talaga. Napakahirap naman itong pinagdadaanan kong ito. Fatima, naka-deliver ng mahusay. I think perfect niya nakanta. Lahat ng mga hiningi ko, nagawa niya, naibigay niya. Si Brian naman, grabe lang yung mga tinatamaan mong mga high notes. Yung discipline, kung paano yung pag-shift ng boses na yun from natural, tapos gagawin mong head tone na ang taas talaga.
Patay ako doon.
Hirap nun.
Patay ako doon.
Oh, ako din. Kay Jonah naman, ito pinapangamba ako nito pagka nag-rehearsal eh. Kasi nakikita ko rin sa mga mata niya na may kaba talaga, may hesitations. Pero pagka tumutungtong na siya sa stage niya, pag actual na talaga na performance, mas nangingibabaw yung puso. Sobra niyo ako pinahihirapan. Ano ba naman? Handa talaga lumaban itong batang ito. Ang artist na pipiliin ko ay si Jonah.
Jonah, congratulations! We will see you sa live shows and you're still part of Team Sarah.
Pinapangako ko po kay Coach Sarah na gagalingan ko po sa live shows at ibibigay ko po lahat ng makakaya ko para po ma-deliver po yung mas magandang performance po.
Congrats!
Congrats din!